I have slaved. I have toiled. Not actually. Publishing a book is not slavery. Not actually. Yeah. But I've cried and stayed up until like 5 a.m. trying to get this fucking thing to work. Which is someone with chronic fatigue syndrome, that is not a good thing. Fuck you. Hyper-focusing. Hyper-focusing is one hell of a drug. Anyway, I'm about to hit publish your paperback book, and I'm hyperventilating. Where's the proof copy? Oh no, where is the proof copy? Oh dearie me. Okay, here it is. Here it is. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Why do I have anxiety? Yeah, it looks fine. It looks good. It doesn't just look fine. It looks good. Well, aside from that minor page number thing, but we're just gonna pretend that was an artist. It's a choice. It's an artistic choice. I'm also way too scared to mess with the PDF by now. I think eventually I might put the page numbers on both ends. I don't know. It's just when the page number is like in the middle of the page, it just feels so posh. Like, it's definitely a me thing, but it's like, oh ho ho, look at me. You're on page number 1, you loser. But, or, oh, look at you, who's feeling all uppity bean on page 312. And it's like, stop judging me, page number. I just want to read. And honestly, if people don't like this page number, then I'd rather go without. I just realized I held the rotation wrong. Fuck. Just gonna, you know. Okay. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Just gonna double, like, just gonna check one last time. That looks good. That looks fine. That looks fine. And that looks gorgeous. Yes. I mean, if you can read that, then I know what to tell you. But it's cursive at the end. It should not be this big of a deal, but it's my first book. Okay. Yeah, worldwide rights. Yeah, I should have them. I'm pretty sure I haven't published. I'm pretty sure. We'll fix it later if I don't. If I've somehow lost my worldwide. Oh, I clicked it while I was talking to distract myself, and now it's saying, "Save me." It says save success. Ah! No, I don't wanna. It has been no, I didn't get to read. Okay, it's in review. Your title has been submitted for publishing and is currently in review. Titles are typically reviewed and published within 72 hours. Review times may vary and may take longer if publishing rights need to be verified. Yeah, I'm not gonna publish through Kindle ebooks because fuck that noise. Oh, my nose. And I I think I'm actually gonna. I mean, I don't like that you only have the option for paperback, but whatever. I'll get an Ingram Sparks thing if I want to do hardcover. I think, yeah. And then, nope, no subtitle. I almost pressed period, but you don't really have periods in titles. A E Beres, just creating my second book to be published, just so it's like there. I own the copyright, and then save as draft. I don't think it has adult content, especially considering I'm like marketing it as a middle grade book. We'll see. Her. Actually, now I'm gonna check my author page. And I can't show you any of this because it has sensitive information that I don't want released to the public. I'll get back to you. Okay, so my book ain't published yet, so I can't get on the author central, and that is fine. Actually, let's try this. Boop, 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 boop. Nope. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to wait until it's published, which, yeah. Let's just check the Goodreads quickly that everything looks decent, because it takes so much guts to publish books. It takes too much guts to publish books. Kill me. Oh well, I'm sure I can change my description later if I need to. And then once I get my author central thing set up, then I can link to my Goodreads, which will link to literally everything else. Which I should really set up, by the way. Just like all my links in the bio. Should probably set that up. Yeah.